Another reason, and they also talked about this in The Economist, is because within Islam, in the economic system, is zero interest. And that is the most frightening thing about the world of Islam. Not Sharia, Islamic law. They're not afraid of hijab, of women being modest or men growing a beard. They don't care if you make salat, make it all night. But if you took all the money, all the Gulf money out of the banks and put it in a bank with zero interest, at the Sultan of Brunei, and other place took his money and put it in a bank with zero interest, you would change the economy of the world. All of the bank structures and the insurance buildings that you see, every city that we go into, and we were driving by the Miami skyline. And the brother said, this is Miami. And really for me, as I told him, this is similar to other cities in North America. Look at the buildings. The biggest one is probably the bank, the insurance building, like everywhere else. The people who are dealing with interest. So if you say now that we want money to be shared between people, that the bank would give a loan to somebody based on their merit, and the bank and the person would share in the project. You have the land, he has the money. If the project is successful, you're both successful. If the project fails, you both fail. This is the Islamic system. The way it is now, if the project fails, you fail. But he keeps the money. And so we recognize the fact that this is a strong alternative to what we see in the world today.